Find the following if f of x equals x squared plus 3x plus 2 and g of x equals x plus 1. F divided by g of negative 2. So we begin by writing that f divided by g of negative 2 is equal to f of negative 2 divided by g of negative 2. So we need to substitute in negative 2 for x in the formula for f. So it would be negative 2 quantity squared plus 3 times negative 2 plus 2, and that's our numerator. In the denominator, we substitute negative 2 in place of x in the formula for g of x, so it's negative 2 plus 1. So now we simplify the numerator and we simplify the denominator. Let's begin with the numerator. Negative 2 quantity squared is 4. The positive 3 times the negative 2 is going to be minus 6, and then we have the plus 2. And in the denominator, negative 2 plus 1 is negative 1. In the numerator, 4 minus 6 is negative 2. Negative 2 plus 2 is 0. We have 0 divided by negative 1, which is equal to 0. So f divided by g of negative 2 equals 0.